Hey everyone! In today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas tree surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this fun video today. Now to start off with our Christmas tree surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to fold it one more time, line up the corners, so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open this up, I've got these nice little guidelines that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a nice surprise. Now to start off with our Christmas tree surprise fold, let's begin by starting at the top of our paper. I'm going to begin by making a point that's just going to come up and then down here. I'm going to bring this line out and in just a little bit. And same thing here, bring this one out and then in. I'll bring this line out and then in. And same thing here, bring this one out and then in. Next, I'm going to draw this line out and then out and in again. And I'll do that same thing here. We'll just kind of go out and in, out and in. Next, I'm going to bring this line straight across here. And I'm going to draw two lines that come down here. Now let's draw the star at the top. I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up and down. Then I'll go out and then in, and out and in. The line's going to go down and up, and then down and up. Now, I want to put some eyes on our Christmas tree. So I'm going to begin by making a circle right here for an eye. Then I'll leave some space, and I'll put another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to draw a circle inside of each one for the pupil. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white for some reflection. And then right here, I'm going to make a little smiley face. Then I want to add some ornaments on here. I'm just going to make some little circle shapes all around here on my Christmas tree. And we're just going to put them all over on here, just to add some detail to our tree. Just like that. Now my next step is I want to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our Christmas tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by connecting this line to here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm just going to start making some points that just go out and in. And we're going to bring this all the way down to here. Same thing here. We're just going to make some different points all the way down to here, and then just connect it. Now, I want to put a big mouth in here. So I'm going to make a little curve here and a little curve right here. Then I'm going to put a big smiley face shape for the mouth. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then back up. Now I'm going to make some big smiley face shapes right in here for some teeth on our Christmas tree. Then I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to make some big smiley face shapes. Now starting here, I want to make a big tongue. So I'm going to draw a big line that's just going to come around like this. And then I'm going to curve it back down. And then I'm actually going to add some stripes on here so it can kind of look like it's a candy cane tongue. Now, I want to finish this off by adding some more ornaments in here. I'm just going to put a few more little ornaments on some different parts of our Christmas tree in here, just so we can have a little bit more detail. I also want to make a couple presents flying out of here. So I'm going to make a little square shape right here. And then I'll make like a rectangle shape over here. Then I'll make like a taller rectangle shape right here. I'm going to make a line across each one, just to kind of show where the top of the package would be. Then I'm also going to make two lines that come right down the middle, just to kind of act like there's a little bit of ribbon or something on our presents. I like to add a half circle on the top of each one. And then to finish off that bow, I make a line that goes up and then down on each side. And this just kind of makes it look like there's a nice big bow on the present. And you can always throw in like an extra little line on there. And you can even add a couple little wavy pointed lines on here for some ribbon if you like to. Now, once I have this all folded up, I've got my little cute Christmas tree. And then when I open it up, I've got the big mouth open with a bunch of presents flying out. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.